Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will make a natural landscape scenery on the canvas. So firstly you can draw this design on your canvas. Now take your sap green color and start merging it with the water. In this whole painting we will do the water shading technique, so apply all the colors with one stroke and then blend them with the water and take the water in a clean brush. For the sky portion, we will wipe our burnt sienna brush. As we all know that when the burnt sienna is mixed with white, then it turns into chrome yellow shade. So you can apply the light burnt sienna in the sky itself. Make sure in the sky that you do not merge yellow and blue, otherwise they would turn green. Apply both the colors at the corners and then merge together with the water. Now we will make the coconut tree. So for that you have to first do a water wash in the coconut tree's trunk and then make some 2-3 line strip pattern in it. Now take your zero number round brush and start making small lines parallel to the big leaves, and then our coconut tree will be ready. And now with the same water shading technique, complete the water part. Our boat is pretty simple to make, so just apply the chrome yellow color and simply apply it in the boat portion. Now take your burnt sienna and your zero number round brush and do the outlines of the boat as shown. In the same way you have to complete all the boats in the picture. And now with the same burnt sienna brush you can outline your huts, and now it's ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.